Now, when you read today's Rhapsody realities, you will go out dancing, you'll go out shouting, you'll go out celebrating. In fact, you'll forget every failure of the past, you'll forget every trouble of yesteryears, and you will live in the present. You'll be just so pleased with today. Check out today's Rhapsody realities, and I want you to become a partner with Rhapsody realities. Click on the link below and help me sponsor 10, 100, 1,000, half a language, or one language. Help me translate Rhapsody in one language, or tell your friends about Rhapsody realities by becoming a Rhapsody influencer. This is Rhapsody Clicks, and this is Pastor Richie saying to you, have a fantastic day. Remember, read today's Rhapsody realities. You go out leaping and joyous evermore. Love you. God bless you.